Hello everyone, welcome to your Chapter 3 problem section. In Chapter 3 we spent a lot of time dealing with if, elif, and else conditional statements. We learned about Boolean data types, and we learned about some other conditions that you can use with if statements as well. So in this chapter problem we're going to really hammer home how to build a complicated if statement using a couple of classic coding problems that we get a lot of students to learn as they build their coding skills. I'm kind of adjusted it a little bit, guys, so it shouldn't be too easy to find on the internet. With that in mind, though, it's a fantastic little task to get people to get full understanding of how if statements work. So what you need to do is you're going to create an if conditional statement using the input command, and you're going to basically make it ask the person what their lucky number is, okay? And if their lucky number has a certain set of parameters or certain conditions, I want you to make the if statement, elif statement, or else statement respond in a very particular way. So first, we want to make sure that you're asking your person who's going to respond to this program to give us their favorite number. We need to then check to make sure that what they have input to us is indeed an integer. Maybe that means another conditional statement. Maybe that means a trick that you guys could maybe incorporate from other learning. Then once it checks the input type, I want you guys, and it indeed is a number, I want you guys to build your if conditional statement around these kind of word problem conditions that I'm giving you. If the number is greater than 20, I want you to print data. If the number is an even number, I want you to print science, or an odd number, pardon me. I want you to print science. And then if it's neither of those things, I want you to print rules, okay? So that's your task. In terms of required functions and tools that you need, you're going to need to know how the input function works. You're going to have to understand if, elif, else conditional statements, and you'll have to deal with the modulo operator. Okay, so why don't you try building this yourself, and then we can go through the answer to this together. See you then.